happy Friday. Happy rainy Friday, because that's what it's doing here. And it is cold. Maybe you can see it coming down on my rain chain right there. But anyways, excuse me, sorry. It is lunchtime. My lunch today is a chicken quesadilla, and I made this, and it's 5 points for everything. I have in my mason jar some cantaloupe for 0. The light daisy 2% sour cream, 1.5 tablespoons is 1 point. I use 2 Olay Wellness tomato basil wraps, and that will be 2 points. Chicken is 0, and I have shredded lettuce inside, and then I have 8 grams of shredded cheddar cheese that I use my micro whatever you want to call it to shred it up with. So again, lunch today is going to be 5 points, and I am so excited over this. This looks so good. So 5 points. Hey friends, how are you? It is a rainy day. I don't know if you can tell by the windows and stuff, and Mr. Jerry's got the heat going. We are at the vet's picking up Miss Cali some more wet food. We've got dry food for her kidney disease, but she's just turning her nose up to it. We have them both out, and so she goes through a can a day, which she's supposed to. So we're down to 3, and it's Friday, and so he called out and he said, well, we have a case out here, we could sell you, a half a case. And I said, go ahead and get the half a case and ask them if they can order a case for us, because she'll go through a case in 2.5 weeks, and this is what she's got to be on for the rest of her life. So I just thought I would get out of the house. It is rainy. It's in the 40s. We're supposed to get this rain right into tomorrow mid-morning, and then by Sunday we're supposed to get snowflakes and stuff. Nothing accumulating, but what have I been doing today? Well, my paper piecing mystery quilt along started today, so I watched the tutorial, the first clue. And so after lunch I went in and started cutting what I'm supposed to cut. Tonight at 8 o'clock there is a Zoom meeting for us that is in the class, just as a get-together. I think there's, like she said, 140 that was going to be in that Zoom class tonight, just to ask questions, to sew, visit, get to know each other. But other than that, I haven't been doing much. I've been playing Monopoly Go on my phone. I sucked down that rabbit hole. Worked on my Easter embroidery a little bit this morning. Knitted on my socks. I got the gusset all back down too, so I can just knit the foot. But other than that, I just wanted to pop on and say hello. Hey, how are ya? Hope you're doing well. So I'm going to let you go. This will just be short and sweet today, and I will chit chat with y'all later. Thanks, friends. Hey friends, so I'm getting ready for my Zoom meeting tonight at 8 o'clock. So I have my first set of clues cut out that I'll be sewing. So there is that color. This is the same color. And then that is the second color. My colors are over here. I still have to find something to put all this in. I started cutting out the paper piecing templates. I need 12 of them, and I have 3 of them. I have to glue them together. So I got my Elmer glue stick right here, and I had 12 pages of these because you need, or 6 pages of these because you need 12 total. So, and I got to thinking, well, there's no sense of sitting here for the next hour or two until the class starts. You can do it during class. So this is the fabrics right here. That's what she's using on the underneath, but I decided to tape mine so I could see what colors they were. And I got them there. And I got them there. So, but anyways, that is what I have got going right now. There is my trip around the world. The other pieces, try not to make you dizzy, are over here. So these are the darker strips right here that have to be all sewn together. These are the ones that are sewn together, and then they're cut in the 2.5-inch strips. And then I have to unpick them and lay them in their pattern, and then sew them together to make the black. But for right now, it's getting set off to the side till I get this other thing done. But anyways, not for sure about supper. As you saw, we had to run into town, pick up Cali some food. They ended up selling us a case of it. It's like 12 cans. And we stopped at Culver's, and I got a vanilla ice cream with hot fudge in it. So I took what I could find for points. So, but such is life. So, and it's still a miserable, going to be cold, wet day. But anyways, I just want to show you what I was up to today. I have 2 points left for tonight. I have 9 points left altogether in my extras, so I have 11 points to use. So we'll just see what it brings. But anyways, talk to you later.